Do you have multiple photos you want to organize or share in one file? Creating a PDF on your mobile phone is the perfect solution. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, this method is fast, easy, and highly effective. To begin, open the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you're on iOS. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and locate the app with the exact title, Microsoft 365. Once you've found it, tap Install or Get to download and install the app on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Microsoft 365 app. You'll notice its clean and intuitive interface, making navigation simple and efficient. Locate the Apps button in the bottom right corner and tap it. From the options, select PDF Tools, then choose Pictures to PDF. Now it's time to pick the photos you want to include. You can select images from your device's gallery or access them directly from OneDrive if it's connected. Choose one or multiple photos, depending on your needs, and then tap the arrow icon at the bottom right to proceed. Next, you'll have the opportunity to review and edit your images. Tap Review and Edit to make adjustments such as cropping, adding text overlays, or applying filters to enhance the images. Once you're satisfied with the edits, tap Finish. Before saving, give your new PDF a name. You'll also have options to adjust the file size, such as original, medium, or small, depending on your preference for quality versus storage. For this demonstration, we'll save the file locally to your phone. You can also choose to save it to OneDrive if you prefer cloud storage. Once the file is saved, exit the Microsoft 365 app and open your device's file manager. On many devices, this is called My Files. Navigate to Internal Storage, then Documents, where you'll find your newly created PDF. From here, you can open it or share it effortlessly via email, messaging apps, or social media. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comments section. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more practical guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.